Good evening YouTube, what's up? We're back again with another pack opening. I've got a few FIFA points to burn, so let's get cracking, see whether we can find that at Robben I've been looking for a little while. Now what I'm going to do every time is I'm going to drop out and update the catalogue, and I'm looking for that Southampton player as the premium goal pack guy. There he is, what are we getting? So he's been a lucky charm so far. I mean, we got Suarez with him, and in that pack, who else was in there? There was another one we had with Sturridge and someone else. Okay, that's Pants. Yang, it's pretty rapid, but you know, I'm not doing anything with that. So we will send all to club, except that, which we will quick sell for 15 coins. What do we do? Right, so we've got two more premiums and a regular gold pack to do. That's what we're going to do. Drop out, update the catalogue. So what are your techniques, peoples? Is there any special method that you use? Who's your lucky player? There was a guy who was mentioning about Tim Cahill, so let's give that a go. Tim Cahill. I've not used Cahill before, I don't think. Not on any of these videos anyway. Chelsea left back or right back there. A Brazilian keeper, that had come in handy a little while ago. Just before I signed Cesar. Okay, so all that stuff can get sent to the club. L1. This is FIFA 14 on the on the PS4, by the way. Big fan of it. It looks fantastic. But we'll get onto a review of FIFA 14 at some point, probably tonight. Actually, we'll give it a go. We'll do the matching face card now. I've not used Messi for a little while actually. So we're going to go with the matching face pack Cahill. And that leaves us one premium one to open. What we're going to get. Come on, something half decent. Puyol. Not bad. On Anderson as well. I'm just doing a Brazilian team at the minute actually, so those two have come in quite handy. And then another ball that can get quick sold, and we'll send all the rest to the club. Beautiful. Right, one pack to go. Drop out, update the catalogue. It must do something. It must do something. Messi. What we got? Is the hunt for Robben still going on, or are they going to hook a brother up? Javi Garcia. Oh, and Motta as well. Not bad. Oh, and we'll redeem them as well. Oh, redeem item. Garcia, that'll be handy for the BPL squad that I'm building at the minute. Send all items to club. Hell yes. As you can see, they've got 6,000 coins. We may as well go for another little 5k. Well, not 5. Oh yeah, it's a 5k pack in it. Drop out. Update the catalogue. And we'll just flick through a couple of times. As we know, this process can take a little while. Come on. Sometimes it just takes the piss. Ah, oh, that was it as well. Oh, there you go. We'll do that. Fingers crossed. Anyone decent? No, not really. Not really. It'd have been handy when I was doing my Italian squad, but other than that, oh, anchor chemistry. But other than that, not great. So, Alter Club. Oh, no. It's my transfer list. Ah, whatever. Yeah, the hunt for Robben still goes on. We need to, people, if you've got any decent pack opening techniques, give us a shout with them. Leave a comment and we'll give them a go. That's the end of this video, so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you all on my next video. Peace out.